In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade from Google Search to ChatGPT Search and Perplexity. So ChatGPT recently got a new feature called Search, and I'll quickly show you how it works. So here we've got normal ChatGPT interface, and I can click over here to enable a web search, and then I can just make a query like I normally would. What has Sam Altman written about hiring for tech startups? Nice. And you can see what it does over here is it visits a number of different articles, takes that as context, and then sort of summarizes it. So you can see what's different from a normal ChatGPT response is everything is linked and sourced. So I can click through here and get the original website where it's pulled this information. So this is pretty damn cool. If for some reason you don't like ChatGPT, you maybe don't have a paid account, you can also use a tool called Perplexity. It kind of does the same thing. What has Sam Altman written about hiring for tech startups? This is kind of the OG AI search engine, actually, and it's really, really good. It's worth giving it a shot. One of the things you can do over here as well is you can enable a pro search, which searches way more in depth, searches more articles. And one of the cool things that both ChatGPT Search and Perplexity have over Google is, of course, that you don't need to click through on all the articles. So for example, if I were to just do a Google search of the same thing, yes, it does, it does link to some of these articles, but I would need to click through and read the entire article, and that can take quite a lot of time. So if you just want quick research, I find these AI search engines to be really, really good. Now, the problem I had with them was that I just wasn't using them a lot because I just kind of default to using Google. So how did I make the switch? Well, I made it very easy for myself. So for example, if I want to do a Perplexity search, I just type in perp, P-E-R-P, and then I can go, what has Sam Altman written about hiring for tech startups? There we go. And I can do the same with ChatGPT. So what are top AI coding assistants? There we go. And it creates a new ChatGPT search over here. So let me quickly show you how to set this up. So if you have Chrome, you just go to settings over here. And then there is this search engine setting over here. If you click over there, you go manage search engines, and then there's a thing called site search. And when you go to site search, you can add a new website. So I've got a couple over here, for instance, ChatGPT and Perplexity. And what you do is I'll just show you what this is over here. So I called it ChatGPT. You can call this whatever you want. Doesn't really matter. The shortcut is the words that you type. So for example, if I type chat over here, hit space, then it's going to search on ChatGPT. So that's the shortcut over there. And then this needs to be exactly this URL if you want to search ChatGPT. So I will include in the description of this video, I'll include the ChatGPT URL as well as that of Perplexity. And that's it. That is a really, really good way of just making it super easy to search on Perplexity or ChatGPT.